Action. Hey guys.
So what we're doing is we bought like this soup that's supposed to be spicy. Let's show them this one.
We haven't tasted it, obviously.
Yeah, we haven't tasted it. I mean, it looks like it can be spicy, but
Wait,
we already
I'm gonna bring
cooked
the
it.
other hot
Yeah,
sauce.
so we already went through all
We
that.
already cooked it, and I'll put it here.
The hot sauce that we added to it.
We added how much? 1 tablespoon?
Yeah, one
Yeah.
tablespoon.
1 tablespoon to each one of ours.
The hot sauce kind of stinks. So.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it stinks so bad.
It's a hot pepper sauce.
It's
very
made in
hot.
Jamaica.
That's gonna be hot.
Ready?
Wait, you have
Ready?
to get a bite.
Wait,
How big are you getting?
I'm getting like this.
like this?
Oh my god,
Yeah.
it's falling.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait.
I'm kind of scared. It's gonna get all stuck in
Okay.
my braces. It's gonna get wrapped around.
Oh, I keep licking it. Okay, ready? There, go.
It's
Oh!
hot. Like the temperature.
That's nasty.
It's nasty.
I can't.
That's
it's
so
too
nasty.
hot. I haven't ate any of it.
It's not really. It's kind of spicy.
It's spicy
It
afterwards.
yeah, it kicks in afterwards. But that's nasty.
Mine is
It
too
is
hot.
nasty.
I can't eat it. It's burning.
It's burning.
I'm gonna blow it. We should put this like a little more in, but you have to get up.
Wait, what?
Guys, just like this, look.
Okay.
That doesn't even go in.
We're going up and down.
You guys are dumb.
Okay, now we're gonna have a race to see who can eat it the fastest.
Yeah.
Wait, what happens? What does the winner get?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
The winner.
Can post any picture from the other person's camera roll on the spam page because
Okay,
Instagram
yeah.
stories too.
Yeah.
Like people.
Oh
take
yeah, we
pictures.
all
Yeah.
spam. Okay.
Yeah.
So we put our social media on the bottom.
Here's Sonia's.
Here's the list.
Here's mine.
Here's Ada's.
Here's Ada's. Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
Set.
Wait.
Oh my gosh, I'm scared. I
Ew.
don't want to do this.
Whoever
gonna
finishes
burn.
fast is
Yeah.
okay.
Oh,
Okay, ready?
I don't want to do this, guys. Okay.
Ready? Go. Oh.
Mine doesn't taste. Ew, what was that?
It's so nasty, guys.
It's hot.
My lips burn.
I've barely finished one.
She drooled. Look.
Oh, pick it up. That's what I'm trying to do. My lips are burning.
It's hot.
Stuck in my teeth.
It has been making some weird noises.
It is funny when she eats hot food.
The first one she was like,
Because I was gonna spit it out.
By the end, she's gonna be like,
"Why your taste is bad?"
It's nasty. I just don't
Mine
like
doesn't
it.
taste
I feel like
bad.
you get used to it, like
Yeah.
after a few bites.
And my lips
My
are
lips
burning.
burn.
My lips are burning.
I just taste the hot sauce, kind of. My stomach is getting bloated. Like my stomach hurts.
Oh,
Stuck
in
in
my
my
throat.
Dang,
not winning.
Sonia's winning.
I know.
Oh my god! I don't think I'm gonna win, guys.
Mine is so watery.
Oh, this is cold.
I can't do this.
Ada, you have to stay in the camera so it can
Oh,
be
sorry.
funnier.
Mine is too hot, like temperature.
Oh,
Mine is hot and spicy.
Yours is hot temperature too?
I'm losing. I already know it.
And this is her idea too.
You know.
Can't handle it.
If it didn't taste so bad, I could have beat you guys.
It doesn't even taste bad.
Mine does.
That's a big vegetable. Ew. My lips burn so bad.
I can't grab any with the fork.
Oh my gosh, Sonia won.
Sonia, oh my gosh. Oh my god, you can see the bottom of yours.
I'm not even halfway.
My nose is running. Oh my god.
I can't do this.
My eyes are watery.
Oh my god, my mouth burns.
I give in. I'm sorry.
I give it.
I'm losing. I'm not gonna eat it anymore. It's so nasty.
Oh, Sonia's gonna win.
Okay.
She has nothing. Should I just quit?
We already lost.
I quit.
Yeah, I don't have that much to pick up anymore.
Look at that. This is Alyssa's almost time.
Show me.
My.
Not even halfway. Okay. So Sonia won. So now she gets to pick a number for us to post on our spam pages.
I'm gonna choose one number
Oh,
for the
guys,
memory.
I'm so dumb. Remember, I got a new phone, so I only have 13.
Okay, memories, Snapchat memories.
Oh yeah.
Okay, then there.
Okay, that's more embarrassing.
Okay, the first picture that you have on your memories of your face, of just your face.
Okay, so I have to go all the way down.
And for you, number 50.
Okay.
Of just me?
Mm-hmm.
These are my brother. Oh my gosh, these are so cringy.
Dang, she doesn't have any selfies. She just has group pics. What was that one? She just scrolled past one. She was like,
That one needed that one.
that was so many. She was like, no.
You have to put that one.
She was like, you a good one.
No, I think that
You
one.
can no, but you can still crop yourself out. Instagram
this
square.
is so ugly.
Put it, and the
It was
caption-
before I had my braces.
Put that one. And I have to choose the caption too, so it's your caption.
Oh my gosh. Guys, can I next
No,
one?
no, 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 no,
But I
no.
have
no.
my sister in the background.
Well, you can crop her out. Because look, the square is going to be like that.
Okay, fine.
The caption is like and comment if you think I'm cute.
Wait, no, didn't we say we post on our story or?
No,
No, on your
spam.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
How do you make it straight?
Wait, you pushed the X. Guys! Wait, pause it. Like, you think I'm cute.
Oh my gosh.
Go put the caption. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, we're gonna show them the picture. And this is the caption. Like and comment if you think I'm a cutie. Can't say that good.
Let me see.
Post
Post
it.
it. Wait, show them that you're posting it.
And you can't say nothing about it.
How do I have boogers? Posting. No.
Now we're gonna move on to mine. Okay, you said number 50. Ew.
Oh, does y'all breast thing? My breast thing.
It just has to be
That's just
you.
gonna be like a basic one. This is my number 50.
Okay, then choose the first one that has your embarrassing face on it. The first picture that has an embarrassing face.
Ew.
That one.
Ew. Ew. Oh, that picture's so ugly. That was in 6th grade.
Your face is like so in there.
Okay. Wait, what's the caption?
Let me see.
So.
Let me see. And my eyebrows.
I'm gonna put that on the comment. I meant my eyebrows. Okay. Here's the caption. Can you see it? Okay.
W.
Hey, someone commented.
You scare me.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Ooh.
I don't
Wait,
know how to do that.
Okay,
Yeah,
as a
let me
special
see.
treat, we're all gonna hit the whoa.
But I don't know how to do that.
Ada first.
I don't know how to do it.
We're gonna do it first since Ada doesn't know how to do it. Wait, should we put on a song?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Copyright. What song?
The one where you go.
Old
Town Road, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
What?
Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5, 6 figures. Stripes on my ass, nigga. Fucking on a scamming ass, rich ass nigga. Same group of bitches.
Wait, I didn't see this first.
I ain't got time for you fake assholes. Talking all loud in them fake assholes. I'm the realest bitch ever see you fake
That's
assholes.
enough. Whenever it's like Ada, you have to do it with us.
But then I do it.
Ready?
I forgot how to do it.
Next time, if we do plan on doing this again, we're not gonna get this. We're gonna order it online and get the actual spicy one.
Yeah.
But we also do not recommend you buy this. Especially, do not buy this. Do not
Other
buy
people that
this.
started their YouTube after us, delete them.
Yep.
Come on.
And don't be going like this.
We're going to report you.
Or like
Period.
trademark. Okay, that's our trademark. Stop.
You cannot
Stop.
hit the wall on yours either.
Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Eddie and
And
cut.